Ka tātou katoa. Haere mai and welcome to the Hokonui Restoration Tech into Taiao online field trip. Ko Shelley the LEARNZ Kaiārahi on this field trip to Mirihiku, Southland, where we'll be exploring the Hokonui Hills, which lie between Gore and Winton. On this trip we'll meet experts from the Hokonui Restoration and find out how they're restoring this whenua, looking at increasing biodiversity by using mataranga Māori and technology. We'll also meet experts from Toitu Te Whenua, Land Information New Zealand, and see how they've developed some apps to help with this restoration mahi, with activities such as weed control, predator control and seed collection, which all rely on knowing your location. It's going to be a fantastic field trip. Remember, you can prepare for this trip by having a read or listen to the Discover More pages, have a go at the quizzes, and book a web conference so you can ask experts your questions. And I really hope you enjoy the field trip. Mā te wā.